welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Katie and I am super happy that you found my channel. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to make DIY hot glue bracelets or also hair ties. They work either way. I am very excited for this video, so if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. It would honestly mean so much to me. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So these are the DIY hot glue gun bracelets that I will be showing you in the video, and they are also great hair ties. So the supplies that you'll need to make this DIY is pencils and a hot glue gun. So first, taking any pencil of your choice, you will just do these squiggles with your hot glue gun all the way to the top. And this is just a closer look on how to do it. You have to do this design if you want your bracelets to have this cool kind of look. So just keep doing this until you get to the top. Now just set that aside to let it dry. While the bracelet was drying, I made a new bracelet as well. Now when the first bracelet is done, you can slowly peel off the hot glue from top to bottom or bottom to top, any way that you want. And here is the bracelet when it's all dry, and it did tend to peel off some of the bracelet's cover. When you're ready, you can hot glue one of the ends to the other end and then just press it down until it is dry. And here is the bracelet when it is dry. Now you can start peeling off the hot glue from the other pencil that I did earlier. Here it is when it's done, and it also peeled off a little of the cover. Then I also made another one that turned out white, so I just spray painted it gold. Here is the gold bracelet that I spray painted, and I actually ran out of spray paint, so half of it is gold and half is white, and it actually looked better than I was thinking, and I was not trying to run out of spray paint, so yeah. Guys, I actually made a ton, so here's another one that I made. And here is all the bracelets that I made, and I think they turned out so cute and amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. My favorite was the gold and white one. Comment down below which one you liked, and yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye!